Hi everyone, I'm Greg Trinan, Heavy Vocational Product Marketing Manager for Daimler Trucks North America. Thanks for joining me here in Detroit at the American Center for Mobility to introduce to you the newest addition to the Western Star X Series vocational truck lineup, the 47X. As part of the Western Star X Series, the all-new 47X joins the 49X as part of the vocational market's toughest, most proven truck lineup. The 47X builds on the successful introduction of the 49X and expands the X Series toolkit to deliver the unique options our customers require to get the job done in their application. As part of Western Star X Series vocational product lineup, the 47X features the same DNA as the 49X. So what do we mean by that? Let's go over here and take a look. So both the 47X and 49X feature the all-new X Series vocational cab. So that's our steel reinforced aluminum cab. If you'll recall, we place steel reinforcements where it matters most so that the cab can survive just about any job site. We also talk about the trench style low roof. So that's really meant for optimal integration of overhead equipment while also maintaining that large door opening for operators getting in and out of the truck. Now they've got that hard hat, they're carrying stuff out of the truck. We're also talking about the all-new X Series door, which is great. We've got the reinforcements that are used for mounting the C-bar mirror system. So that's meant for additional rigidity for out on the job site when you're out on those rough roads. That mirror is not gonna vibrate. The operators can see behind them crystal clear for operating more safely out on the job site. So let's take a look at a couple other features that are common between the two trucks. The dual stage LED intelligent headlights, we talked a lot about that. That's meant for melting ice quickly out on those cold winter mornings out up north. If you're operating down south, it's about removing the condensation as well so that your operators can see more clearly. All right, let's move over to the 47X. You'll notice the 47X hood. It is shorter, it's about 10 inches shorter. But with this hood, it's the same material as the 49X hood. It's that molded resin material designed for impact resistance, and it's lighter weight than the predecessor hood by almost 100 pounds. So our customers, our operators can haul additional payload to and from the job site. The X Series vocational lineup was designed for optimized body integration. Over the 6 years during the design process, we talked to a number of our truck equipment manufacturer partners and incorporated that feedback into the design process to make sure that we accomplish that task of optimized body integration. So what do we mean by optimized body integration? Well, we've done a number of things on both the 47X and 49X. Everything from the QUICKFIT interface system. We've got these optimally placed connectors right here behind the cab. And we've also got a number of DEF tank and fuel tank combinations that deliver clear back of cab, which is huge for our truck equipment manufacturer partners. We even improved the air dryer location, especially with set back axle configurations on both trucks. We've mounted the air dryer underneath the hood to get that off from behind the cab. So again, removing components from behind the cab to free up that space for easier body integration. So with regards to improved body integration, it's not just about the improved electrical system or clearing space behind the cab. One of the biggest pieces of feedback that our truck equipment manufacturer partners gave us was the need to improve routing and clipping. They wanted us to make sure that those lines were off of the lower flange, they were off of the web, they weren't hanging below the frame rail. And when we're able to route those harnesses inside the frame rail, off the web, off the lower flange, this helps prevent any sort of buildup of mud, snow, thinking of a truck, a snow plow working in icy conditions, or maybe out on a job site, really prevents that buildup that's seeping into the wiring that can cause a truck to go down. All right, to accomplish all this, we offer 3 new brackets, different routing levels. So the standard brackets in routing really accomplish what we set out for and really meet our truck equipment manufacturer partner expectations. We also offer heavy duty brackets in routing, which split the airlines. Thinking about if you have larger bundles, you split those into 2. If you have a more complex truck upfit, more trucks with lift axles, we have that heavy duty bracketry that we can install on truck. And then finally, we also offer additional brackets for even more complex body upfits. So ones that we call our truck equipment manufacturer specific brackets. So those are, again, for even more complex body upfits. It provides additional space on the top and bottom flange. So if you have water pipes, oil transfer pipes, the need to add a lot of hydraulic lines, air lines, they can route those easily. We've provided a nice clear way, clear path to route those lines. We also added additional harness protection by making our Tough Wrap abrasion tape standard. Tough Wrap is a high strength, high temperature, high abrasion resistance tape that delivers much better performance and durability than the split convoluted tube solutions you see elsewhere in the marketplace. For added protection, we also offer Tough Wrap Extreme. And with this, you get the Tough Wrap abrasion tape as a base. And then on top of that, you get extra abrasion resistant twist wrap. And then finally, we also added a connector back shell for added splash and spray protection. While we're on the frame rail, you'll recall from last year when we launched the 49X that we were delivering to the marketplace the single channel frame rail with the highest RBM rating in the market at 3.8 million inch-pounds. Not only do we have that on the 49X, but we're pleased to announce that we have that available on the 47X as well. What that means is high strength, it means weight savings, and it means the reduction in the opportunities for corrosion. Now, in many instances, you don't need a frame liner where you might have had to use one in the past. With the launch of the 47X, we're now offering on both trucks a new 9.5 millimeter thick rail option that delivers the same RBM rating at 2.5 million inch-pounds as our 11 millimeter rail that we launched on the 49X last year. So what that means is about 100 pounds in weight savings. So that 9.5 millimeter rail option is perfect for those weight sensitive applications like mixer or bulk haul tractors. Speaking of lighter weight, we've delivered further weight savings by introducing as standard aluminum forward and rear suspension and end of frame cross members. So with regards to weight savings, our engineers didn't just stop there. They know our customers look to shave every pound possible off the weight of the truck. That's why we offer now a 2 battery option with the launch of the 47X, which saves 60 critical pounds off the weight of the truck. And moving beyond that, thinking about the powertrain, thinking about mixers like this red one here, we are offering the lightweight Cummins X12 and L9 engines. So thinking about the mixers operating down in California where weight is even more critical, pairing that L9 with the Allison 3000 can help those customers meet that goal. The 47X features a number of application-specific options, including mixer transition plate, or thinking about snow plows, offering rectangular fuel tanks, raised after treatment system when you spec a Cummins engine for those belly plow applications. And then we've got this access hatch on the hood to make it easier to access fluids, do fluid checks without opening the hood when you have front mounted equipment like a snowplow. Now let's focus on what makes the 47X really unique. While it features the same DNA as the 49X, the 47X was designed with a purpose: to build upon the platform the 49X already established and provide added versatility to serve additional applications. The first thing you'll notice right off the bat is the shorter hood, which delivers a shorter BBC. This shorter BBC configuration is ideal for applications requiring optimized equipment packaging to meet local overall vehicle length requirements, or applications requiring adherence to local bridge laws such as mixer or super dump. So not only is it lighter, but it also delivers improved visibility and maneuverability. Thinking about if the body length remains constant, but the truck's overall length is shorter, then the turning radius on the truck will also become tighter. Customers that operate in urban environments or on tight job sites will value the maneuverability of the 47X.